Your home in Park City deserves windows that do more than just look nice. They should keep you comfortable and help you save money year-round. That's why finding affordable window installation in Park City is one of the smartest upgrades you can make. Thinking about new windows but worried about the price? Getting a clear cost estimate to buy vinyl windows in Park City doesn't have to be complicated. With the right team, you'll know exactly what to expect. No surprises, just honest, fair pricing. Now, vinyl windows are a popular choice for good reason. They're energy efficient, easy to maintain, and designed to stand up to Park City's unique seasons. If you've been searching for affordable home windows in Park City, vinyl is a great place to start. What about the new home window price in Park City? The good news is modern windows come in all styles and budgets. You can boost your curb appeal, add value to your home, and reduce your monthly energy bills, all with one simple project. It all starts with a home window replacement quote in Park City from trusted local professionals. And we help you find the best options for your home, explain the process from start to finish, and make sure your new windows fit both your style and your budget. Why wait to enjoy a warmer, more efficient home? Don't let outdated windows drain your wallet any longer. Take the first step today and get your free quote and see how affordable new windows in Park City really can be. Affordable window installation, honest cost estimates for vinyl windows, and beautiful results. That's our promise to you. Call now and let's make your Park City home better than ever. Let's bring your new windows to life. Your home deserves windows that look beautiful, perform well, and last for years. Ready to get started? Contact us today for your free consultation and quote. Call 435-800-0625 and visit ParkCityAffordableWindows.com. Park City Affordable Windows. Quality you can trust, service you'll love.